Hi guys! I'm Yesa, together with
Isaiah Chrissy Hernandez.
and we are the SSLG officers. And today, mag-i-interview kami ng mga
Alumna, incoming grade 11 and grade 12 students.
para sa kanilang mga experiences or mga gustong maging experience ngayong paparating na school year 2024-2025. So,
Let's go!
tara! Hello po, can you state your name po?
I am RJ Malimbayan Reyes, an alumni of Los Baños Senior High School. Actually, I'm very grateful and proud to say na I am a product of LBSHS. Napakaraming itinuro nitong, I refer this as my home. Ang daming itinuro nitong tahanan na to sa akin. Yung LBSHS will make you not just an academically exceptional student, but someone na yung may sense of nationalism, someone na pag tinawag ka to be there, nandun ka. And I think isa yon sa napakaraming lifelong learnings na ibinigay ng LBSHS. And also, LBSHS has taught me to become resilient, to fight for what is right, no matter how difficult it may seem, and to be friends with other people, especially to treat your teachers with so much respect. So, ayun lang. And I think may i-apply ko siya in the future when I get to excel in the field that I will choose. Sa paraan na yung natutunan ko dito sa LBSHS will be a reflection ng kung sino man yung magiging ako in the future. Tips para sa mga grade 11 and grade 12. Una sa lahat, matulog kung may time pa, but there should always be time to rest. Pangalawa, don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just wake up every day with the hopes of, getting better. Pero wag masyadong i-pressure yung sarili kasi dadating yan. Especially sa mga mag-uupkat. So, you got this. So, maniwala sa inyong mga sarili. And of course, wag kalilimutang magdasal. The best weapon is always prayer.
Hello, Labasahasa! We are grade 11 Galileo! Okay, so guys, please state your full name. Aliyah P. Mejia.
Kian Aizel Suarez.
Miracle Joyce Tiras Puesto.
Ang nilook forward ko is something arts related kasi marami po sa atin na students na napapansin ko ay artsy.
Ang nilook forward ko yung mga parang division contest kasi nung fina-follow ko yung page ng Labasahasa, nakikita ko ang dami nilang participation sa mga contest kagaya ng campus journalism, yung STEMazing, yung nag-second sila, tapos yung ano pa ba, marami siya and interested ako makasali doon. And bukod pa doon, naglo-look forward din ako sa challenges kasi 'di ba, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na mas hirap pa ang senior high school, pero we can all agree that hindi siya dumadali. Never gets easier. Kaya naglo-look forward ako na mas ma-challenge dito para mas mahubog kami as a student, para mas ready na kami sa college courses na iti-take namin sa susunod na 2 years.
Hello po! Ang nilook forward ko po is yung mga people, mga students po sa Labasahasa po. Kasi po, ayun po talaga yung gusto ko din, yung makipag-communicate po with new people po and yung mga activities po talaga na makakasama po namin yung other students po na kung saan po matitrain po yung amin pong pakikipag-communicate po sa ibang students din po. And yun po, and yung mga activities din po and yung mga lesson po na ibibigay po sa amin ng mga teachers po, and alam po namin na the best ang kanilang learning teaching strategy, and yun pa rin po yung mga inaano po namin. Nilulook forward po talaga ngayong school year po, and alam po namin na hindi po talaga kami mabibigo. Tama ba guys? Tama ba grade 11 Galileo? Tama! Ayun po. Thank you po!
So my name is Sofia Lorraine Manuel Cortez, grade 11 Bernoulli from STEM.
And I am Rene Viva Galano of 11 Bernoulli po.
Ang nilook forward ko po dito is meeting new friends, classmates, events, and ang pag-join sa mga clubs and orgs.
Ako po yung mga opportunity po na binibigay po ng school po.
Hi, I'm Athena and I'm from Einstein, grade 11.
Hi, I'm Phoebe and I'm from grade 11 Einstein. So, ang nilook forward ko po this school year is yung events ng school and yung clubs, since very excited po ako doon. And lastly po, yung kung paano po mag-interact yung students sa isa't isa and how welcoming they are for each other po. Thank you.
Same lang din nung kay Phoebe, yung sa mga clubs. Kasi nung grade 10 po ako, hindi po ako masyadong nasali sa club. So, I want to develop myself socially. Tapos, gumaling sa math. Ayun lang po.
Hello, my name is Lara Alali Reyes from grade 11 Franklin.
I'm Avril Maris P. Rubia, grade 11 student from Franklin.
I am Leslie Ann O. Alvarado from grade 11 Franklin.
Nilook forward po namin yung room po ng Franklin.
Same lang po, room ng Franklin.
Ako po, room po, tapos kasikatan, pera, success, tapos po, ayun lang po, thank you po.
Hi, I am Bianca Marie Cabusas. I am from grade 11 Pascal. Hi, I'm Cherise Castro from grade 11 Pascal. So first of all, ang nilook forward namin sa Labasahasa is of course the teachers and syempre yung subjects na rin kasi ang alam namin hardcore ang subjects here sa senior high school and of course the clubs and organizations po.
So for me naman po, nilook forward ko is yung events ng mga clubs and yung teachers po na magiging new teachers namin and yung classmates din namin.
I'm Jordan Isaiah. I'm from 11 Aristotle. And my name is Mark Angelo Ongkinko from grade 11 Aristotle, but typically call me Jel as well. The thing I look forward to the most is getting to improve my public speaking skills and also getting to experience campus journalism once more. I really want to go into the track of journalism and other art forms such as, let's say, broadcasting. I just really want to enhance those skills so I could gain more experience in that field. Thank you.
Yes, for me lang, sa high school lang, medyo lang tahimik lang, like lack of social skills. Pero here in senior high school, need ko lang talaga improve yung communications ko in communicating in society. Then, di lang basta sa mga journalism, focus ko lang talaga is more on focus lang talaga like terminology or something like solving cases lang talaga, or solving cases. Then, just to improve yourself na you're telling every information. So that's all.
Hi, I'm Vincent Campitan from grade 11 Socrates.
Hi, I'm Jen Markensley Malitik from 11 Socrates.
Magandang academic results.
And I wish to overcome my shyness and to communicate with other students as well.
I'm Elijah Lindon El Timao and I'm from grade 11 Bernoulli and now Archie. Yung experience ko dito is masaya naman. Masaya. Kasi yung mga activities na binibigay ng mga teacher is nakaka-challenge na naghahasa sa mga skills natin katulad nung kay Sir Bulong. Mga may hirap talaga na kailangan mo talagang mag-aral. Matututo ka ditong mag-self-study and makinig talaga. Mabait! Maging mabait kayo. And wag tayong maging tamad and as much as possible, gawin natin ng mas maaga yung mga activity para hindi tayo ma-stress. Ganun.
Hello, I'm Jarrell from grade 12 Curie. So actually madami, pero like yung masashare ko today is mahihirapan ka talaga. Like mahirap naman talaga maging grade 11 and 12. Pero kailangan lagi kang maganda. Charet, kailangan pumili ka ng mga taong papaligid sa'yo or magsusuran sa'yo kasi it can affect you as a person. And next question please. Ang tip ko lang, barya lang po sa umaga. Charet, ayun, always choose people who surround you because you and you were deep one within.
Hello, my name is Cyril Jan E. Ongleo from grade 12 Darwin. Siguro yung intrams. Kasi ang competitive lahat ng section nun, pero in a way na masaya siya. since nasa labasa-hasa kayo, wala na kayo sa junior high, I suggest don't put off things today don't put off things what can be done today. Kasi kung papairalin mo yung manyan habit mo, hindi ka talaga makakasurvive dito sa labasa-hasa. Kaya kung anong kaya mong gawin ngayon, gawin mo na.
Ako po si Mark Gabriel Aparilla po, from dating 11 Pascal to now 12 Newton po. Personally po, ang aking experience po na hindi ko po malilimutan is yung brigada rin po last year. Dahil po sa brigada last year is mas nakilala ko rin po ng yung mga kaklase ko, magiging classmates ko po. So, ang masasuggest ko lang po sa incoming grade 12 din, incoming grade 11 din po is magsumali po sila sa mga brigada po ng school para makilala po nila yung mga classmates po nila.
Hi po, ako po si Kate Allison Esti Clara and 12 Confucius na po ako ngayon.
Arjalarin Lakap, grade 12 Confucius.
Yung sa akin is yung nag-debate kami kasi first time ko rin maranasan yun. Tapos like parang first month parang nata or second month yun. Tapos di po kami close na, so nakakaya mag-approach. Pero ang sarap sa feeling na natapos yun. Parang akong nagbunutan ng tinik. So, debate talaga.
Ayun, for me, since this school offers a lot of opportunities, yung seminars talaga hindi ko makakalimutan. Kasi aside sa maganda yung turo, meron ka pang natututunan ng other lessons from other teachers or professionals outside the school. So, yun yung hindi ko makakalimutan during grade 11 days.
Hindi naman mag-advanced study, pero advanced study na lang din. Tapos, i-enjoy, parang wag niyong papabayaan yung sarili niyo and enjoy lang yung pag-aaral.
For me naman, time management. Kasi mahalaga siya, importante siya sa, kung mag-aasa yung student, madami din talaga kasi inaasikaso ginagawa. So, learn how to manage your time.
Hello, good day. I'm Francis Holombayan from grade 12 Heraclitus.
Hi, I'm Sam from 12 Heraclitus.
Siguro yung nagkaroon kami ng theater play second sem. Under siya ng world religion. Siguro kaya siya yung pinakamasaya kasi we got a perfect score 100. I mean, yung preparation sobra kasing hirap and it's very worth it na nakakuha kami ng ganong result.
Same with Francis, definitely yung theater play na dinirect ko. And under my supervision, 2 weeks lang talaga siyang pinrepare. And sa loob ng 2 weeks, naging maganda yung result ng theater play namin. And title is The Exodus.
Magbasa. Bakit? Kasi magsisimula pa lang yung klase. Either magle-lesson si sir or mag-surprise quiz kayo. Or on the same week, magkakaroon kayo ng quiz, long quiz, na abutin either ng 50 or minsan 100, depende sa mood ni sir.
Academically, ayun nga, magbasa kayo ng magbasa. Pero kung extracurricular, dapat i-manage niyo yung sarili niyo, yung clubs na sasalihan niyo, kung ano talaga yung sa tingin niyo, kung saan kayo magko-commit, dun lang kayo sumali. Huwag kayong sumali for the sake of joining your friends or dahil lang gusto niyo. Dapat yung dedicated talaga kayo sa sasalihan niya. Ayun lang.
Ako si Sir Joseph R.C. Cabantog. Ako rin ang advisor ng Grade 11 Bernoulli at isa sa mga tinuturo ko ay Oral Communications at Media Information Literacy. Isa sa mga dapat abangan nila ay yung mga challenges. Mga challenges na ipagkakaloob ng kanilang mga guro. Isa kasi sa pinagmamalaki ng Los Baños Senior High is yung roster natin ng magagaling na teachers in town, no? Or in the district of Los Baños. So, isa yan sa mga aabangan nila. But rest assured, even though may mga challenges na ganoon, it could really help them to develop their capacity, their personality, and their knowledge as well. Para sa mga students ng Los Baños Senior High, this school year is you need to focus on your studies, especially we are academically oriented. Apart from being academically oriented is
target din natin na ma-develop rin yung personality ng bawat isa. Personal growth, personal development, along with the academic development. So, ang isa sa mga tips na pwede nyong gawin is to focus on your studies as well as in the learnings. Hindi lang doon sa mismong pag-aaral, but ano rin yung natututunan nila all throughout the school year. Yeah.
Po, So, I'm Verde Imo Estimbaco, grade 11 and 12's teacher. So, ang tuturuan ko sa UMS ay specialized subject, which is Philippine Politics and Governance. And for grade 12, entrepreneurship. Yun. So, dapat nilang abangan kung ano ba yung buhay ng isang senior high school student. So, malaki yung difference ng junior high school sa senior high school. So, dapat mas focus sila, lalo na sa mga subjects, kasi mas bago to, hindi nila pamilyar yung mga subjects na yun. So, talaga dapat yung focus nila, kung sa STEM man sila, so sa mga math and science, so dapat talaga nag-extra effort sila. Then, for UMS, ito yung time para makita nila yung kanilang potential, lalo in terms of public speaking. Ayan. Tips, siguro ang may bibigay kong tips, focus sila sa kanilang pag-aaral. Hindi dapat grades yung tinitingnan nila, kung ano yung matututunan, learnings na makukuha nila. Kasi ito yung malaking bagay na makakatulong sa kanila para mas maging maayos na isang estudyante sila.
And this has been your SSLG Vice President Yesa Hana Manese, together with
Isaiah Crissy Hernandez, SSLG Auditor.
And that concludes our Brigada Kickoff or our Brigada Day 1 of 2024.
See you tomorrow!